Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to maintain your mirrors. What you want to do is fully extend. Now what a lot of people get wrong is they actually spray the outside of the arms. We don't actually want to do that. What we want to do is get inside the arms. So the process of doing that is just these two sleeves here, on top and on bottom. And all we're going to do with this last sleeve here, it's just a slight pinch up and down. Then this middle one, you want to grab it like you're trying to give someone an arm burn. It's the best way to describe it. And what you want to do is just twist slightly back and forward, rock it back and forward, and pull back towards the mirror. So we do that top and bottom. It's the same process, pinching and twisting and pulling. And what we want to do is we want to get onto the metal arm inside. And we just want to give it a bit of a spray, top and bottom. And once we do the arms, we want to turn it around and up into the mirror cavity. So along the black tube, up into the mirror, another spray, top and bottom. And that's the arm maintenance. That's everything you need to do. Now when putting it back on, you don't want to push the head back on. You actually want to put one of your fingers inside that cavity to pull out that inner sleeve. And then it should just glide straight back on. Top and bottom. And what that does is it helps that sliding out motion and sliding back in. Just dust and dirt gets in there. This helps get rid of that dust and dirt. Then push them all the way in, all the way out, just a couple times to get the lubrication all the way down the shaft. And that's it.